So this is the BLACK+DECKER PowerCrush. Let's take a look and see how it does. It has dedicated buttons going across, and one of the ones I was interested in is the ice crush feature. That's pretty handy, especially down at my bar. So let's try it out. I'm going to dump in a glass full of ice, pop the lid on, let's take a look. Well, that's pretty impressive. That's an unreasonable level of crushing for ice.
I've used it maybe 2 times, and today I noticed that this was broken. I wanted to do something, but that was broken, like small pieces of broken glass. So